Hello team, so this is the Facebook clone which I'm going to show you. So here let me show you all the details. Okay, so this is I log in as admin or user. So this is the front end. So you can easily create your album, ad, blog, event and all. This is your home page. Here you can check your story or you can create multiple story what you want to add in your story, then you can do it. Okay, here you can check other story. Currently this is the demo account, so we have not any other online user, that's why it's not coming anything. Here you can post what you want to post, like images, poll, video and other things like gift and all. You can post it. Here you can check others, like if anyone is share any article, any posts, anything, then that data will come here. You can like, you can do means you can react as well, you can comment, you can share that post with anyone. Okay, here you can check how much posts, how much following, how much followers you have. Here you can check trending. Here you can check pro members, people you may know, you can follow them. Or here page may you like and all, you can manage that. Okay, these are chats, so here you can check your groups and all. Here you can manage your chat. Okay, if you click three dots, then you can filter like online or offline. After that, let me show you. So like people I follow, so we can find only that people data, or if I select all, then who are registered with this solution, we can check all members data. After that, albums, so here you can create multiple albums, whatever albums you want to generate. This is the save post. Here you can manage your popular posts. Here you can manage your memories, posts. We have groups, so here you can create multiple groups. See, you need to add some data, then group will be added. Suggested group, joint group data you can check. This is the pages data, you can check page. You can create multiple pages. After that, blog, so you can create your blog, or you can create multiple articles, or you can check who already done. Okay, after that we have other things as well, like market. So in Facebook, marketplace is there, so this is the marketplace, so your user can easily buy any product they want to buy from market area, then they can buy. Here they can search what they want to search, like user search, page search, group search, game search, they can search. Okay, after that we have event option, so if any event was running, that data will come you here. You can join, you can show interest, you can edit, you can create, or you can check how much event is going, invited, event interested, past event, you can check your events and all. After the games, what games we had added in this, data will come here. After that we have forum, movies, jobs, offers we have. If user want to find, then they can find by filter. Okay, after that we have a common thing, so you can manage that. After that we have other options like funding, so if any funding request is there, then that data will come here, or then you can raise any request for funding. Okay, these are front end. After that, let me show you. So this is the wallet. First let me show you your panel, like you can manage your timeline, groups, likes, following, follower, photo and video. You can check like Facebook. Here you can check profile complete, so here you can complete your profile and you can manage all the things. Okay, after that you can check your wallets. This is your wallet, you can create fund, or you can send money to someone, or you can withdraw as well. After that, upgrade to pro, so this is the pro feature, so you can buy any pro feature or see what features you will get. And so this is the pro features. After that, advertising we have, so here you can manage advertising. Here you can check campaign. Here you can manage your wallets and all. Here, if you want to create new campaign, then you can create your campaign. Okay, after that we have like edit, we can manage our settings, and we can log out, and we can change the mode. Let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel, so here you can check how much users you have, total posts, we can check total pages, groups, online users, total comments, we can check games, message, we can check statics, we can check. This is the website mode, so here you can manage all the things. General configuration, so here you can change general, like user can register or not. Auto user we will provide for registration time. Provide like password complexity system, unusual logins we have, so it will be like two-factor we have. So these are already connected with our solutions. You just need to add key, then it will work. Like reCAPTCHA we have, like online users, last seen status and all, you can manage that. Login limit, login timeout, registration, notifications we have, connective system limit, user invite, and other things. Here you can manage your like concert words, so you can add that. Home page caching we have. Here you can manage like Google Map we are using, so here you just need to add key, then it will work. Yandex we have and all, you can manage that. Here you can manage your file upload and all. Okay, here you can add like Amazon, AWS and all, you can manage that. After that, email and SMS we have, so here you can set up your SMTP key, then it will mail system will be work for you. For SMS we are using Infobip, Twilio, Message 91 and Bulk SMS. So what you want to use, you just need to add key, then it will be work for you. For chatting and video, we are using Agora or Twilio. Okay, you just need to add key, then Messenger, live chat, live video call, live audio call, it will be work for you. After that we have a social login, so like Facebook login, Google login, Twitter login, LinkedIn login, it will be work whenever you just add key ID, then it will work for you. Post settings we have, so you can manage post settings, so like social share link we have, general post comment settings we have, you can manage that. Okay, if adult image was there, then it will automatically delete it or blur, which an API we are using for that. Like many things was there, like color post we have, post reactions we have, set up live streaming, so for live streaming we are using Agora and many more. You can use any solution for that. Like features we have, so here enable or disable features, so you can easily poke features, you can enable, disable. Greeting system we have, so you can just click and that option will be disabled or that option will be enabled. Like in this is the point features, so if you like you comment someone, then you will get 10 points like that. After that, pages we have, so all types of pages data will come here. You can edit, delete these pages, so you can check. Groups you can check, you can edit, delete any group. If you click on any group, then that group will be open for you. Okay, after that, posts, so all post data will come here. You can check posts, so if you click on any post, then that post will be come here. Okay, you can delete. If you want to delete, you can open a link and all, see, you can check the timeline as well. Okay, after that we have a funding, so you can manage funding. So in a funding, how much commission will be there, you can manage. In a jobs offer we have, events we have, you can set up events if you want to set up events. Let me show you. Okay, here you can check how much events are running, that data will come here. In the store settings, here like a store view, you can enable visible product, you can enable visible sales commission, you can set up here. Products you can manage that. Here you can manage order and reviews. Forums we have, so you can manage forums. You can manage all the movies, so you can create any movie, what movies you want to allow them to watch, or other things. Like games, you can set up games, so you can add new games. Here you can add game URL, game images URL, so games will be added. After that we have a category, so here you can manage your page category, page subcategory and all. Group category, so you can create multiple category here. Custom fields we have, so you can manage that. In a language you can set up, this solution is connected with multiple languages, so you can set up your own multiple languages what you want to want. Okay, after that here you can manage your users, like how much females we have, how much males we have, how much active users we have. After that, online users, manage user story and status, verification status, you can manage that. Play system we have, so play settings, payment requests, genders, payment, and so here you can manage configuration. So withdrawal setting we can enable, disable, or on payment we have PayPal we are using for payment gateway. We have a Stripe, Paystack, Payshara, Cash Free, Razorpay we have, Coinbase we have. We have many solutions which you can use for payment gateway. This is advertisement, so like cost by view you can set up your, here you can manage your currency, site advertisements we have, so you can set up your ads. After that, user advertisement, so you can manage that. After that we have a bank receipts, you can manage that. After that, we have a pro system, so user can easily create new packages, what package they want to create. With user will be buy any package, then they can manage, or they can use your pro services like payment. You can manage members. We have refund request. If you was there, then that data will come here. Tools we have, so you can manage email, user invitation, and you can manage all the things like auto delete data we have. So you can manage like delete user that are not logged in more than week. So you can delete data as well if you want to delete, so data will be deleted. Like auto friend we have, so you can add any friend data, auto page like auto group join, fake user generator, so you can generate people. Okay, create random avatar, you can generate fake data, you can delete all fake user. Here you can mass notification, you can manage the blacklist we have, so if any blacklist was there, then data will come here. So these are data you can manage, like pages we have, reports we have, and many more, like some API settings we are using, so you can use. Push notifications we have, you can use that as so. So I already showed you the complete demo. So if you have any query or you want to check more briefly, then we will show you definitely to you, but you can connect with us for any other query. Thank you.